Drinking my cup, everybody vibing, girl, I'm in your whining.
What's going on, everybody? Bitcoin Chris checking in once again. It is Thursday, July 6, 2023. My, how the year has flown by. And I don't know about you guys, but I feel like the days are moving faster. Even though we have more sunlight, I just feel like the days are moving faster. So, if you woke up this morning, you're blessed, of course. And Bitcoin has been, moving up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Wicking everybody out. If you're trading, please be careful, because even myself got clapped up trying to trade. But that's why we have stop losses. That's why we don't use a lot of money, right, on each trade. We use a little bit of money on the trades, and that way if you have your stop losses set, you don't have to worry about losing all your money. You're only losing a percentage of your overall trading bag. I don't recommend you trade unless you know what you're doing, because you can and you will lose money. Not only that, it's more important to stack Bitcoin and to chill than to try to trade, but you can make a lot of money trading. So there's a lot of people that hate on traders. I used to hate on TA myself, and then I actually understood and learned what was going on. And when I did so, then I was able to, learn the patterns. And, we have to understand that there are people with a lot of money that trade. There are institutional investors and retail traders and institutional traders that, buy based on what they see on the charts, guys. This is just a fact. So we can hate on the traders all we want, but guess what? They trade based on what they are seeing on the charts, and based on what they're seeing on the charts is going to determine if they buy or sell. So for you to learn those patterns and to capitalize off the moves that you may see, I highly recommend, if you can learn that, do that. I have a link down below to Bing X, and that is a trading platform that I use to trade. Be careful. I like Bybit better, but if you're in the United States, then you're not going to be able to use Bybit. So Bing X will allow you to use them for now, and there are other platforms as well. So I just left the store. Wanted to talk about inflation real quick before we jump into the Bitcoin price. Every time I go to the grocery store, guys, I spend pretty much the same amount of money, if not more, and I'm getting less and less and less groceries, guys. It's crazy, because at first I didn't really pay it any attention, and I talk about it all the time. But now I'm seeing it, because I'm, watching what I'm buying, and I'm, eating healthier and, making smoothies and all that good stuff. So, I'm buying pretty much the same things every time I go there. I buy a lot of juice. I buy a lot of fruits and veggies, and, the organic stuff costs more. So by me buying these things, I pretty much go to the grocery store every week to refuel on juices and restock on, I juice a lot of and make smoothies with watercress and, arugula, and, I use organic juice, so it's a lot of fruits and veggies that I'm buying, and plants and herbs and ginger and stuff like that to, make my smoothies every morning. So I've been, I've just been noticing the price of everything just going up. It's just crazy, because I spent more today, than I have at least recognized that I've been spending, and I buy pretty much the same things. Matter of fact, I didn't even buy as much as I usually buy, but it costs more, which is crazy. So inflation is real. Please understand that, and we have to understand. We have to understand that, inflation is real, and it's here, and it's not going anywhere, unfortunately, because, again, it's not because of the value of these things. It's because the value of the U.S. dollar going down, not the value of, fruits and veggies going up, So with that being said, inflation is real. We got to be careful. We got to understand what we're dealing with here. And, it is what it is. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to jump into the Bitcoin price. Make sure you head over to swanbitcoin.com/Bitcoin Chris. Make sure you check out Bitcoin Dad, Fiat Dad. Go ahead and pre-order the book now. I'm going to be, finishing up that book. It's going to be coming out real soon. Have my son coming out to grab the groceries. And my son's so big now. Oh my God. Time flies, guys. Time is nothing but a vapor. Bitcoinflags.shop. I think my Bitcoin flag is here. I have to check the mail. So I'll check the mail actually, and then if I have that, I'm going to be bragging, and I got to put it in my room somewhere. My little chicken bear so big. Oh my God. My son's so big, guys. Crazy. All right. With that being said, make sure you check out the links down below, FOMO21.com. And all those other great links down below for services that you guys can utilize. And with that being said, let's jump into the Bitcoin price. All right, Bitcoin price on the hourly. We're going to go through this real quick. We have a red dot here. We have momentum headed down, VWAP headed up, money flow looks like it's headed up, and then let's see, RSI, stochastic RSI looks like it wants to head up, but look at us, this looks pretty bearish. And as I mentioned earlier, we got, a lot of people got clapped up, including myself, trying to long or trying to short. High is 31,500, low is 29,888. That's on the hourly. I don't know what's going to happen. We just got to watch what's going to happen. But I also mentioned in a previous video that we had that bullish divergence on the hourly, and it played out perfectly. We did have that hourly bullish divergence, and we went up to 31,500. So, TA works, guys. You just got to know what you're doing. Let me turn this to the side. Sorry about that. All right, 4 hour real quick, jump into that. 4 hour looks bearish, and we have a red dot, not good. RSI, stochastic RSI headed down, money flow down. Money flow's green, VWAP down, momentum wave down. Not looking good. I have 2 alerts set here at these levels. If we do decide to hit these levels, then I will send out those alerts. That's at 29,900, 29,800 as well. And then we'll jump to the formation here. Still looks like it's flagging. So still looks good, and we could touch all the way down to where I have my alert set without it being, bearish. 29,500 would definitely be a support. Last line of support. And then let's jump to the daily, and then that's it for today's video. And we'll also jump into CoinGlass real quick as well. Let's see, we have bull flag still looking real bullish on the daily. Let's look at the money flow, market cipher, red dot, not good. I said we had a green dot the other day. Now we got the red dot. RSI, stochastic RSI headed down. VWAP looks like it's trying to turn up, but it is headed down. And then we have money flow. Money flow looks like it is headed up, trying to head up at least. It could fake everybody out. Bitcoin usually fakes everybody out before. It usually fakes everybody out before headed up or down. So, again, traders will get liquidated, traders will get clapped up, and that's just something that happens, when you're trading. So be careful, and again, set stop losses, set your targets, and once you are in profit, move your stop losses up if that's what you're doing. And then, with that being said, CoinGlass real quick. Look at the liquidations real quick. All right, over the last 24 hours, 42,368 trades were liquidated, and it came in at about $138 million liquidated, and majority of them were longs. And let's just look at the last thing here, longs versus shorts, and then that's it for the video. Right now we have more longs than shorts on the hour. 4 hour more shorts, 12 hour more shorts, and then 24 hour more shorts. So I'm expecting a short squeeze. With that being said, this is Bitcoin for checking out. Have a great day, guys. God loves you. I love you. Make sure you hit that like, share, subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace.